Now today we see variation of G with depth. Variation of Z with depth. We know that in previous article or topics we have studied variation of G with altitude, means variation of G with height. As we go or as we far from the earth surface, the acceleration due to gravity goes on decreasing. Today these topics we see whether it is increase or decrease if we go below the earth surface, whether the value of G decrease or increase if we go below the earth surface. So here suppose this is earth. This is earth. ही अर्थ आहे and this is the earth. Suppose that this earth is made up of large number of concentric uniform spherical shell. This is the shell of earth. Red sphere shows the one of the shell. Now R is the radius of the earth. Concentrics, this is concentric. This is the radius of earth R. Capital R is the radius of earth, and suppose we have kept a body at depth D, means at point P, below the earth surface, at this point P. P is the point below the earth surface, means at depth D. Now that if this is the D, small d, and this is the capital R, then this distance becomes equal to R minus D. R minus D. So this is the radius of this sphere, of red sphere, and capital R is the radius of the dark sphere, black sphere. Suppose that acceleration due to gravity, acceleration due to gravity of the earth, acceleration due to gravity of the earth is given by G equal to Gm upon R square, because here G is the gravitational constant. Already we have studied, or we have find out capital G gravitational constant by using Cavendish balance. Mass of earth, capital M mass of earth, and R is the radius of earth. Therefore this is the acceleration due to gravity of the earth. The acceleration due to gravity of earth. Now, or earth surface. Now the acceleration due to gravity at depth D is given by, we know very well GD is the acceleration due to gravity at depth D. Therefore G m dash upon R minus D square, because GD is the acceleration due to gravity at depth D, and m dash is the mass of this red circle sphere, and M, capital M is the mass of black sphere, means earth. so that gm dash upon r minus d square. Now we will find out m. If this earth assumed to be sphere is made of large number of concentric uniform spherical shell, and r minus d is the radius of this shell, this red shell, and r is the radius of earth. So here first find out mass of earth. We know that density of earth, suppose rho is the density of earth and density is given by mass upon volume. Therefore mass of earth equal to volume into density. But if the earth is sphere of radius capital R, then the volume of this sphere or earth is given by m equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube rho. This is the mass of earth. Mass of earth. So this value put in equation number 1, then the equation number 1 becomes g is equals to g 4 by 3 pi r cube rho upon r square. This is cancelled and therefore g is equals to 4 by 3 g pi r rho. This is the value of g, equation number 3. Now again we will find out m dash like that. M dash is the mass of this shell, spherical shell, red shell. So m dash equal to volume of inner means this sphere, inner sphere into density. We know density, earth density is rho. Therefore m dash equals to 4 by 3 pi r minus d cube into rho. R minus d, radius of this sphere is r minus d. This is the mass m dash. Now put this value in this equation, then the equation becomes gd is equals to g 4 by 3 pi r minus d cube into rho upon r minus d square. Therefore gd is equals to 4 by 3 g pi r minus d into rho. Equation number 4 supposed to be 4. This is the equation number 4. Now we will find gd, acceleration due to gravity at depth d. So we take the ratio of equation number 3 and 4, taking equation number, divide equation number 4 by equation number 3. Therefore here gd upon g equals to 4 by 3 g pi r minus d cube rho upon 4 by 3 g pi r rho. Rho cancel, pi cancel, g cancel, this is cancel. Therefore here gd upon g equals to r minus d cube upon r minus r minus d upon r. Therefore r minus d upon r. By cancelling another terms, gd upon g equal to r minus d upon r. Therefore gd equals to g in bracket r minus d. Here 1 minus d by r. Now equation number 5. Now from this equation it is clear that as we go below the earth's surface at depth d, the acceleration due to gravity goes on decreasing from this equation, because r is the radius of earth which is constant and d will be changed. Suppose increase d, then d by r increase. Ratio of d by r increase, and therefore the value of bracket will be decrease. If the value of bracket will be decrease, then GD also decrease. Suppose here 1 minus 0.3. 0.3 is the ratio of d by r. Suppose then equal to 0.7. Now if this ratio increase, suppose d increase and r is constant. D increase, then 1 minus, suppose this ratio must be equal to 0.7, therefore this equal to 0.3. It means that as the d by r increases, means this ratio increase, value of bracket decrease, and therefore GD will be decreased. In this way, as we go below the earth's surface, the acceleration due to gravity will be decreased. So in this way, as we go, and suppose or if d equal to r, means we are going towards the center, and suppose d equal to r, then GD equal to 0. Here if we put here d equal to r cancel, 1 minus 1 0, therefore GD equal to 0. Means at the center, if we comes to center, d equal to r, and then at this center GD equal to 0. Means at the center gravity becomes 0, and therefore at the center gravity is 0, GD equal to 0. At the center gravity becomes 0, so we don't feel the weight. So in this way we have find out GD as we go far from the earth surface, means at height h from the earth surface, G goes on decreasing, as well as we go below the earth surface, G also goes on decreasing, and it means that G is maximum at the earth surface. So if we have plot a graph between, G versus acceleration due to gravity versus r is the distance r is the distance, and this is suppose this is A, point A, here A, suppose A, and this is O, center, inside the earth, outside the earth, and this is equal to r at this here r equal to r. So from this figure it is clear that this is the depth, and along this direction altitude. So as we go below the surface, G goes on decreasing. As we go far from the earth surface, means at height h, G also goes on decreasing, means G is maximum at the earth surface. So this is the complete about variation of G with depth. Okay, thank you.